Go to the www.3dcombine.com webpage. Then click Free Download, and then install 3D Combine. Open 3D Combine. Go to Menu, File, Open Image, click on 2D left and select the image you want to make 3D. Now, go to Menu, File, Open Image, click on 2D right and select the same image as before. Select the depth icon. Click on the Auto 2D to 3D button. Select Intelligent from the drop-down and click OK. Give it a moment to process. The right-hand image has now been processed to give the illusion of depth. To save as a 3D image, go to Menu, File, and click Save 3D. Now, select from the drop-down menu the type of 3D image you would like to create. For this illustration I will use color anaglyph, but you can select parallel, or above and below, to view in a VR headset. Now just click Save Image, to save the new 3D image to your selected destination. Here is an example of the new 3D image. To view it on your screen, you'll need to use a pair of Anaglyph 3D glasses.